In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping costs in ClickFunnels. If you're selling physical products through ClickFunnels, understanding how to integrate shipping costs seamlessly into your checkout process is crucial for ensuring an accurate and efficient purchasing experience for your customers. Let's walk through the complete process together. First, you'll need to open your desired product within ClickFunnels. Begin by logging into your ClickFunnels account. Once you're in, you'll navigate over to the Funnels section where all your sales funnels are displayed. ClickFunnels makes it easy to manage multiple funnels. So find the one that you're currently working on. Open that funnel and then proceed to the Products section. Within this area, you'll see a list of the products that are part of your funnel. Carefully select the specific product you wish to add shipping costs to. Now it's time to enable the shipping feature within your product settings. This step is vital if you're dealing with tangible goods, as you want to make sure the system acknowledges that shipping is a necessary component of the transaction. Look for the option to mark the product as a physical product. If this option is available, make sure to select it. By doing this, you're essentially alerting the system that this product requires a shipping component. Next, enable the shipping options feature. This action will activate the necessary capacities for you to set specific shipping terms, like costs and delivery methods. Don't forget to save your changes. This step is key to ensuring that your settings are locked in and ready to apply to your checkout process. After setting up the product as shippable, your next task is to add the actual shipping charges. The way you apply shipping charges may vary depending on your system setup and any pre-existing integrations you might be using within ClickFunnels. For instance, if you have a third-party service handling shipping logistics, you might input different data compared to using ClickFunnels' built-in calculators. Carefully input the specific charges you expect your customers to cover. These could be flat rates, location-based rates, or variable rates dictated by factors like package weight or size. Once the shipping charges are established, you'll want to configure the checkout form to capture the necessary shipping information from your customers. Head over to the checkout section of your funnel. Here you have the chance to add shipping address fields to the form that customers fill out. Since shipping physical products require precise address information, ensure that fields for entry include essential components such as street address, city, state, zip code, and country. This step ensures that when an order is placed, you have all the information needed to successfully dispatch the item. Finally, it's crucial to test the checkout process thoroughly. Run a test checkout to simulate the customer experience. Pay attention to whether shipping is calculated correctly, and see if all the information flows smoothly through to your order tracking and fulfillment systems. By testing, you can confidently resolve any issues before your customers encounter them, ensuring a seamless shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create a smooth and efficient shipping process within ClickFunnels.